Alright, how's everybody doing today? Today, Mr. Muscarella is going to let you know a little shortcut. How to find the slope from the standard form of a line. Now let's go ahead and review what standard form of a line is. Standard form for a linear equation is going to be the form ax plus by equals c. You'll learn standard forms for quadratic equations later on, usually in Algebra 2 or later on in your Algebra 1 course. But remember, the a value, the a term, has got to be positive. No decimals or fractions. Those are the catches with the value of a. Now to find the slope, all right, so in math we like to use the letter m to represent slope. What we're going to do is we're going to take the opposite of two of the terms. Now when your equation is in standard form, we're going to take the a term and divide it by the b term. That's it. But you have to remember that it's the opposite of the a over b term. So let's go ahead and we're going to zip through a couple of equations real quickly, and you're going to be a rock star by the time this is done. So let's check it out. 2x plus 3y equals 7. So with that, so your slope is going to be the opposite. My a term is 2 and the b term is 3. I don't have anything to do. Boom, I'm done. That's the slope for that equation. Easy peasy, right? All right. Let's go to the next one to the right. 9x minus 22y equals 8. So again, my slope m is going to be the opposite of the a term, which is 9. The b term is negative 22. Now here's where you got to be careful. If you have that double negative thing going on, you've got to remember a negative divided by a negative gives you a positive, or the opposite of something negative is something positive. So your slope for this equation is going to be 9 over 22. This is almost too easy, right? Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and do the next one. Slope of this, the opposite of a over b. My a term is 4, my b term is negative 8. Ooh, I've got those double negatives again. So that's going to be 4 over 8. What? That's crazy. Don't forget, yes, you have to reduce. So your slope is going to be 1/2 for the standard form equation, 4x minus 8y equals 2. How about this one next? 4x minus 2y equals 15. No big deal. We're going to have the opposite of the a term, which is 4, and the b term is negative 2. 4 divided by negative 2, of course, is going to be 2. Two negatives end up with a positive. Your final answer is going to be 2. Now, that's kind of cool. What I want to do is I'm going to change these right here. That's going to be a plus just because I want to mix it up a little bit and not have them all be the same way. So go ahead and try these next 4 on your own and see if you can determine the slope from the standard form. Hit pause and come on back and see how much of a rock star you are after you get them right. So how'd you guys do? Did you end up getting negative 3/5? Slope for next to the right of it is going to be negative 1/2. And you've got that double negative going on with the equation x minus 5y equals 15. So you're going to end up with a slope of 1/5. And last but not least, you get a slope of negative 2. So by now, hopefully you can look at a standard form of an equation and come up with that slope super fast. Of course, you could always solve each equation for y and determine the slope that way. Whichever technique you want to use, figure out the slope and you got it done. All right, thanks for watching and peace out.